Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook braised bitter gourd with chicken. So I have one whole bitter gourd with about 500 grams, 400 grams of boneless chicken. I use chicken thigh with the skin on, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of salted bean paste or Taucu. This is how it looks like. Taucu Angel brand. 1 nut of ginger, thin slices, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 4 cloves of garlic, I crushed them. I like to start off with marinate the chicken. We're going to use all the light soy sauce to marinate the chicken. We just marinate the chicken with light soy sauce and put it aside. Next, we're going to cut the bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is known for its taste. It's very bitter, so children will like it. So today we're going to cook it such a way that the children will enjoy it as well. And we're going to remove the seed. Use the spoon or teaspoon to remove all the seed out from here, just like this. Right, then after that, I'm going to cut it into lengthwise, like this. And cut it like that. Alright, bitter gourd is ready cut. Now we're going to wash it. To get rid of the bitterness of the bitter gourd, I'm going to wash it with salt. I use 1 tablespoon of salt and just rub it like that. Okay, just wash it for about 20 seconds and now we're going to rinse it off with water. We're going to rinse it off with water for 4 to 5 times. So make sure that the bitter gourd is not salty. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it. Heat the pan and I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Put in the garlic and ginger. Give it a stir. We're going to fry these 2 ingredients until it releases a nice aroma. Don't need to cook it until it's crispy or brown. Just about 45 seconds. Garlic and ginger have become soft and it's nice fragrant. So now I'm putting in the chicken. Putting in the bitter gourd. Put in all the seasoning, sesame seed oil, sugar, dark soy sauce, and salted bean paste or Taucu. We're going to give it a mix. Add in about half a cup of water. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. It is boiling. Give it a stir. and cover the lid. I'm going to reduce the heat to low heat and braise it for about 30 minutes. You want the chicken and the bitter gourd to become very soft. From time to time, you need to come back and check if it's dry. You can add a little bit of water. By right, it should not get dry because we cook it in the low heat. 1 more minute to go. So we're going to open and check. You see, when you braise it quite some time, the chicken will be soft and the bitter gourd will be soft, and then they will have a lot of gravy also. And now we're going to give it a taste. Wow, it's delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this one, it's already enough taste and enough flavor. This is also best to serve it while it's hot. So I'm going to dish out and serve. The braised bitter gourd with chicken is best eat with rice. Gonna take the bitter gourd, some chicken, with the gravy and the chicken. Let's eat. Wow, it's so delicious, very tasty, very flavorful. The chicken is very soft and tender and very tasty. The bitter gourd is not that bitter and it's very soft and tender. It's almost melt in the mouth. The gravy is so delicious. It's slightly bitter from the bitter gourd and it's rich in the flavor from the light soy sauce, the garlic, the ginger and the bean paste that we put in. And when eat together with the rice, it's so good. Do give it a try and share with us the outcome, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my delicious home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.